Our area's first hospital-based health and fitness center is on track for a spring opening inside the former Sears building at the Oakdale Commons. Work is progressing on the new Lourdes Health and Fitness Center. The state-of-the-art facility will feature 3 saltwater pools, a large 5-lane pool for laps, a therapy pool for aquatic classes, and an enormous hot tub. There will be 4 studios for classes, large group, Pilates, yoga, and spinning, 3 spacious locker rooms, one for men, another for women, and a family wing where parents and children can change together, and over 100 cardio machines plus strength training equipment and free weights. General Manager Mark Powell has over 30 years of experience in fitness management. Powell says the focus will be on hospital-grade cleanliness and COVID safety.
To have all of these services in one place, where in the past you had to go to different centers to get that quality. But now that we have them all in one facility, it's just a great center. Again, there's something for everybody here truly in our center.
Next to the fitness center will be a new Lourdes rehabilitation facility for those needing to regain strength and balance following an injury or surgery. It will feature a sports performance area with turf, an underwater treadmill, and other amenities. Rounding out what's being referred to as Lourdes Pavilion will be primary care offices, a drive-through pharmacy, orthopedic care, and X-ray and lab services in the clinical space upstairs. Lourdes Director of Rehab Services Ben Robinson says the mall's convenient location makes it easier for people to get the services they need.
You have to improve access. You have to make things easy to get to. You want the patients and the community to have a good experience when they come and visit. You want to keep things fresh and exciting, and you have to engage. You have to engage people. So.
Lourdes has established this storefront near Center Court in the mall to display some of its equipment and starts signing people up for memberships. Powell says the monthly cost of membership will increase as the center gets closer to opening, and those who sign up early can lock in their discounted price. Lourdes Health and Fitness plans to use a 3-step onboarding process. It will begin with a nurse's assessment of a member's health, including heart rate, body mass index, and blood pressure. A trainer will help to establish goals and then develop a customized workout routine. And all of that is included in the membership fee. For more information, go to lourdeshealthfitness.com.